Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's going to be an Influenster inspired makeup tutorial. I received 6 makeup products from them, so I figured, let's have a challenge of seeing how I could incorporate all of those makeup, only using those makeup to my face. So first I'm going to put Burt's Bees on. I did not receive this from Influenster or anything. I just love Burt's Bees, and I'm just going to moisturize my lips because they could get a bit chappy. It is fall. The Honest Beauty Everyday Primer Matte. See that? Alright, so also I'm not a professional, so people are probably looking and cringing, are gonna cringe at everything that I do throughout this video. Sorry, my husband and my son were calling me. Alright. Spread. Forever Ultra HD Foundation. There we go. This is going to be interesting. This is going to make my face very pale. Makeup brush. Beauty blender. I'm not going to have any concealer or anything, so we will see how this looks. I know, cringing. You're cringing right now the way I'm doing this. My sister's probably gonna watch this and say, why did you do what you did? Acting like you don't know how to put makeup on.
I didn't put too much. Yeah, I probably did. It's fine. It's gonna be so white. Very white.
BrowFood Aqua Brown Powder and Pencil Duo. So first I'm going to outline my brows.
Just supposed to... Yeah, I've never used this before, so... bear with me. Now I went over. Right. My eyebrows way bigger than what they're supposed to be. That's fine. My contacts are acting up. Alright. This eyebrow is like way thicker than my actual... There we go.
Oh, how this actually is my eyebrow color. Like, they got it on point. Ooh. Look at how nice this is. I've never used a powder like this before. So I'm like really impressed right now. I'm just showing you how to do makeup on limited supplies, and this is really bad. This is a really bad example on how to do your makeup with the eyebrow powder, which I'm not a fan of at the moment because it's just so like makes my eyebrows look so pigmented. You're gonna put some up here.
And here. This is if you're like out and you don't have the necessary products you need. Which I told you I did this at a wedding and my makeup looked on point, and I was very proud of myself. I didn't know I could do what I did. Thanks YouTube. It's really YouTube's watching all those videos on how to do makeup. Okay. I'm gonna take a beauty blender. I'm just gonna blend, like they always say. I remember when I first learned about blending, I was like, why do they always say blend? And it makes sense. You do. You have to like blend all the time. Like just constantly blend. Well, this because it's different. You're gonna brush up and down. This as well over here. So it's not really blending, more of brush strokes. I just use a beauty blender because it is
So pasty. I think I put a little bit more. Or I could just take the actual liner crayon and
that's literally what I did at this wedding that I had to go to. I took my eyebrow crayon and I had to contour it like that. And it honestly saved me, like, a lot. So you see, I have a little bit of color now. I don't look pasty anymore. Which was not cute. So, yeah. Since this foundation is so white, I can just go back with it and use it as a concealer.
Item I'm going to use, which I'm very nervous about because I've never used one of these, is a Sinful color Shady Babe cream eyeshadow. This I know is going to be a disaster because, like I said, I've never used cream eyeshadow before, so I'm a little scared, very scared.
Let's see how this goes on. It is very pigmented. And now I'm like thinking, trying to come up with an idea of how am I going to use a blue and a green, and I have an idea. I'm going to use this as the eyeshadow, obviously. And we use a turquoise eyeliner because I do not have an eyeliner for this video because I am doing only Influenster makeup. It's very sticky. I'm just gonna go all the way out. I'm a little crazy. That's okay.
We already established that I was gonna look crazy.
While my eyes dry, the next product's going to be, which I use this a lot, as you can tell, is the Honest Beauty lip crayon, which I love this crayon. I've used it so much. But, oh no. I originally had a lip balm on because it, I just get chapped. I didn't want to put this on and then it's all like crinkly and stuff. And then last but not least, my favorite mascara is the Honest Beauty. It is the primer and the mascara in one. So right now we're going to put the primer on. And then, dun, 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 the mascara. My eyelashes as well. I'm having a hard time at the bottom.
That is my crazy makeup influencer inspired makeup tutorial, though I'm not a makeup pro and my makeup usually looks a lot nicer than this. I wanted to challenge myself, see, can I do my face and make myself look cute with 6 products? And I don't think it's that bad. It could be a lot worse. Yeah, so let me know in the comments how bad this actually looks. Yeah, so like always, like and subscribe for more videos. Bye.